Holiday sales are a huge part of a lot of companies' quarter 4 earnings. And that's because of things like, Black Friday and Christmas sales. But there are actually holidays all year round that you can tap into for your business. So in this video tutorial, we're going to show you exactly how to do that. So stay tuned. So as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, there are holidays throughout the entire year that you can use to market your products and your business. Now, the next big kind of well-known holidays are Valentine's Day and Chinese New Year. However, there are also holidays throughout the year that are very random but can work perfectly with your niche. So I am so excited to share in this video a downloadable calendar that Printful has made. Now, this is not a sponsored video. I just really like this calendar, but it is a calendar of all the big holidays in 2019 for e-commerce businesses. So you've got a lot of random ones in there, like Hat Day, International Women's Day, and also Book Lovers Day. But you also have your typical ones in there for the states as well. What's great about this is that you can find pretty much any kind of silly holiday for any kind of product that you're selling. So you can start researching those online or also download Printful's calendar that I will put in the description below. I'll put a link to it there. But you can go through and start figuring out which ones could be best to use for your business. Now, the benefit of tapping into something like this, for example, if you sell hats, tapping into Hat Day, is that you can use that as a theme, and it gets people more excited if you were to do a discount code for that of, 10% off all hat products for Hat Day. But it also lets you share it better on social media and use popular hashtags that may be trending because of the specific day it is. So it really gives you a lot more reach to get your potential customers to you, and it gives you something fun to talk about. I mean, there are a lot of crazy ones out there. So why not do a little research and see which ones pertain the best to your business? And keep in mind, it doesn't even have to be specifically to your product, like the Hat Day example. It could also be for Valentine's Day, you could have a spa thing, like a bath bomb. And it could be relating to self-love and self-care and taking care of yourself for Valentine's Day. So any way that you can kind of tie it in to one of these specific holidays is going to be really cool and a great way to get your business out there. So again, the link is in the description below to Printful's downloadable calendar. And so you can see all of the holiday events for 2019 that they've picked out for e-commerce. But I also would love for you to do some research on your own and see if you can find any kind of other kooky holidays that would really tie in to your brand. Comment below this video and tell us what holiday you're going to do. Any that were completely off the charts and surprised you, we want to know. So make sure to comment below and subscribe to get more tips and tutorials all about Shopify and how to grow your online store.